To fix a restricted Robinhood account, start by understanding the reasons behind the restriction. Robinhood may restrict your account due to various reasons such as suspicious activity, incomplete account information, or non-compliance with regulatory requirements. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Account Settings or Help section to identify the specific reason for the restriction. Take note of the required actions or documentation needed to lift the restriction. Next, gather all necessary documents and information, such as identification proof, address verification, or tax documents, as required by Robinhood. Make sure the documents are up to date and match the information on your account. Then, contact Robinhood support through their website, email, or phone number. Provide the required documents and information to the support team and explain the issue with your account. They will guide you through the process of resolving the restriction. In addition, ensure your account information is complete and up to date, including your name, address, and tax identification number. Verify your email address and phone number associated with your account to receive important notifications and updates from Robinhood. It is also essential to review and agree to Robinhood's terms and conditions, as well as their user agreement. This will help prevent any future restrictions due to non-compliance with their policies. Finally, wait for Robinhood to review and verify the information you provided. This may take a few days. And once the restriction is lifted, you will receive a notification from Robinhood, and you can resume using your account as normal. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can fix a restricted Robinhood account and continue to use their services without any issues. Always ensure to follow best practices, such as keeping your account information up to date and monitoring your account activity regularly, to prevent any future restrictions.